Social media influencers Andrew and Tristan Tate have been arrested in Miami. Tonight, the U.S. Marshal Service says the potential charges against the brothers are sealed. However, British prosecutors announced they were seeking the extradition of the brothers on and trafficking charges. The Tates have always denied wrongdoing.
That was the latest update, and this is a major development in a legal case that's already drawn international attention. Andrew and Tristan Tate have now been arrested in Miami as British authorities seek their extradition on newly announced charges, adding another layer to legal proceedings that already span multiple countries. The brothers have denied all allegations against them, but today's arrest raises a lot of questions about what's going to happen next. So let's break this down, exactly what led to this moment, what authorities are alleging, and where this case could lead from here. So I'm going to read an article. Influencer brothers Andrew and Tristan Tate, whose social media empire promoting wealth, male dominance, and misogyny has made them among the world's most polarizing internet personalities. They were arrested today in Miami as British authorities sought their extradition on rape and trafficking charges. The brothers have been taken into custody by the U.S. Marshal Service on a sealed warrant. They don't want to say what the warrant is. The agency spokesperson Brady McCarran told the Associated Press, placing the United States at the center of an international legal saga that has stretched from Romania to Britain. British prosecutors announced Saturday that they were seeking the brothers' extradition on charges alleging they raped and trafficked women between 2010 and 2017, and they stayed getting in trouble. One of his girlfriends, Andrew, a couple years ago was showing pictures of some alleged physical stuff going on. But anyway, back to the story. The dual U.S. and British citizens moved to Romania in 2016. They were arrested there in 2012, accused of participating in schemes to lure women for sexual exploitation. They denied those allegations, and the case didn't go forward because of legal and procedural irregularities. But now, the brothers are expected to appear in Miami's federal court early next week, according to a person familiar with the matter who spoke on the condition of anonymity to discuss sensitive law enforcement operations. The pending charges in the United Kingdom accused the brothers of abusing women in an area of North London where they grew up. Their lawyers had said they denied all allegations. Joseph McBride, an attorney representing the Tate brothers, said in a phone interview Saturday evening that he has not been able to speak with his clients, but called the new charges out of the UK filth and slander intended to derail defamation lawsuits filed by the brothers in the U.S. They're pulling out all the stops to make sure these guys never get their day in court, McBride said. Well, you're the attorney. That's what you're supposed to say. We are confident that once a competent judge sees the facts and once the Department of Justice confronts the egregious abuse of its own authority, Andrew and Tristan will walk free. America does not do Britain's political dirty work. Andrew Tate, 39, first reached mainstream audience as a contestant on the UK reality television show Big Brother in 2016. He was removed from the show when a video surfaced that he appeared to show Tate assaulting a woman. He and his brother Tristan Tate, 38, are vocal supporters of U.S. President Donald Trump. Andrew Tate has amassed over 10 million followers on X, but has been banned from platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram for violating hate speech guidelines. His most widely condemned rhetoric includes comments that women who are actually assaulted should bear some responsibility for their attacks. Idiot. Graphic descriptions of how he might attack women and criticisms of people who seek treatment for mental illness. The Tate brothers have consistently denied these allegations of abuse and human trafficking, claiming that violent, misogynistic statements have been taken out of context or were intended as jokes. And from the things that I've read about them, other stories I've done on them in the past, I'll link them to this video. But yeah, I hope they really do get their day in court. And I wish they would get them off of social media, because a lot of the things that they're pushing out here to young men, it's really dividing the genders, the young people as well. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video, and I will stay on top of this. Bye.